Morning all, this is Prashanti here to continue with the Middleware Technologies Lab. Here we'll discussing about task 2, how to create a bean to draw various graphical shapes and display it using or without using BDK. So here we'll be discussing how to draw the shapes using BDK. The BDK is Java Bean Development Kit. Without using BDK is your Java normal Java applet program. How do you run your applet program? The same way you can run to create the shapes and all. So these are the steps in order to create a bean and all. So first one is install BDK 1.2 and next save the Java file in this BDK folder. Next compile the file, that is Java file. Next create the manifest file, create the jar file and run the bean. These are the steps that you have to follow, and this is the program that you will be executing. I'll be creating a package called sunw demo at a package called as colors at sunw.demo. I'll show you how to create this. And in BDK you have a class called as canvas. You extend your class with your canvas class. My package name is colors and class name is also colors. And here this is the dimension of the bean that I have specified, and these are the things that I want to draw onto the bean: two rectangles, three rounded rectangle, oval and a square. Okay, the program is simple. We'll see how to execute that. First you have to install BDK, Bean Development Kit, in your system. BDK 1.1 or even 1.2 is also fair. If you extract this, you get a BDK Bean Development Kit. Then double click on that. You have a folder called as beans in that. After that beans, you have beanbox in that. In beanbox, you have an option called as run. You check after installing, you run once and check whether all these pop out boxes have come for you. Okay, now next we'll go for your program. This is your BDK. Concentrate. So click on beans. This is your program steps that we are going to do. In beans you click on demo. In demo you go for sunw. In sunw you again go for demo. In demo you create a folder called as colors. This folder I have created already. You should create a folder called as colors with your class name. Right, in this colors you place your Java file. This is my Java file. Look here, what is this Java file? As I have shown earlier, this is the Java file that we have written. Right, now after creating a Java file and saving here, you will be having a path, isn't it? You click here and then you write here cmd.exe. Then your command prompt will be opening, or else you can directly open your command prompt and go through this path. If you'll go here, it will be easy. Now here you run the Java file. What is that Java file? Java C. What is your Java file name? Colors.java. Java C colors.java. Now your file is run and a dot class file is created. Next, what is the next step? You have to create the manifest file. See where I am creating the manifest file. You go back. The place where you will be creating your manifest file is important again. Go back to beans and demo and stop here. Here you have to create a manifest file. How to create a manifest file? You have to write the manifest file in notepad. Notepad space. Again I am using the same name, colors dot. It is a manifest file, so the extension is .mft. Open. See, this is the manifest file. Actually I have written already. When your new notepad is open, you have to write this. Name is sunw. So here I have to specify where my colors dot class colors file is present. It is at sunw demo colors, isn't it? The same sunw demo and colors. And Java Bean is true. I have made it as true. Then save it and close that. Okay, now what is the next step? You have to create a jar file. how do you create a jar file is by using this statement, jar space cfm space two dots. This two dots indicates the current directory, and then jars. In jars folder you have to create my jar file called colors.jar by using what? By using colors.mft. Okay, and by using what? Again by using your class file. Where is your class file? It is at sunw. Where is your class file? At a demo in colors folder. In here you can write dot star dot class, or you can write your directly colors dot folder. Now your jar file is created. In order to you minimize this, in order to check whether your jar file is created or not, you go back, see in beans. Where is your jar file? In beans you have jars option here. In this jars you see this is the colors dot jar file is created. Now you go back to your BDK. In beans you have bean box. In bean box you have a run option. That's it. When you run your program, after running your program, look here, these are all the existing beans. This is your new bean that you have created. Click on your new bean and then click here. Okay, this is your bean that you have created. See, one rounded rectangle, two circles, two ovals, whatever you have specified. And here you can change the background, you can change the properties of your bean also. Look here, I am changing it to background as red. Done. And the foreground also you can change yellow. Done. These are all the bean properties that you can change. This is the new bean. You can work on your bean as if the existing beans. This is how you create the beans. Okay, thank you.